You know what's fascinating? Men who drink plain tea already have better erectile function than those who don't. But here's the kicker. When they add specific ingredients, the benefits rival expensive supplements. Today, I'll show you exactly what to add, why it works, and how to use it for maximum results. Why tea itself helps. Tea, especially green and black tea, is rich in catechins, compounds that relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Warm tea itself dilates vessels slightly, enhancing absorption of added ingredients. Plus, the ritual reduces stress hormones like cortisol that interfere with sexual function. So tea isn't just a drink. It's a delivery system for circulation and relaxation. Addition number 1. Raw honey plus Ceylon cinnamon. Raw honey contains boron, which frees up testosterone from being bound and inactive. Studies show just 10 milligrams can increase free testosterone by nearly 30% in a week. Ceylon cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and circulation. Add 1 teaspoon raw honey and 1/4 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon to morning tea for better vascular function and stable energy. Addition number 2. Fresh ginger. Fresh ginger contains gingerols, powerful compounds that dilate vessels and reduce inflammation. A Jordanian study found men who consumed ginger daily boosted testosterone by 17% in 3 months. Slice or grate a thumb-sized piece, steep for 5 minutes, and enjoy stronger circulation within 30 minutes. Many men report warmer hands, feet, and responsiveness soon after. Addition number 3. Maca powder. Maca doesn't directly raise hormones, but it helps your body use them more efficiently. Studies show improved libido and erectile function after 8 weeks of daily use. Add 1 teaspoon maca powder to tea. It has a nutty butterscotch flavor that blends well. Black maca is considered best for men's sexual vitality. Addition number 4. Pomegranate concentrate. Pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants that protect nitric oxide, the molecule that signals blood vessels to expand. UCLA research showed daily pomegranate improved erectile scores in just 4 weeks. Add 1 tablespoon pure concentrate, not sugary juice. It adds a tart kick and works best with green tea. For an extra boost, combine with hibiscus tea. Addition number 5. Tribulus terrestris. Tribulus, used in traditional medicine, doesn't always boost testosterone, but consistently improves erectile function. It works by increasing nitric oxide and sensitivity of erectile tissue. Add 1/2 teaspoon of powder, or use a tea bag. The taste is slightly bitter, so pair with honey. Morning or afternoon is best, as some find it mildly energizing. Addition number 6. L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid your body converts directly to nitric oxide. Studies show 5 grams daily improves erectile function on par with some medications, without side effects. Add 1 teaspoon powder, about 2.5 grams, to tea twice daily. It's tasteless, making it one of the easiest and most effective additions. Simple protocol. You don't need all of these at once. Start with ginger and honey for immediate benefits. In week 2, try maca or pomegranate. By week 3, combine your favorites. A powerful daily routine. Morning, green tea with ginger, honey, and maca. Afternoon, black tea with pomegranate and cinnamon. Evening, rooibos tea with honey for relaxation. What to expect? Improvements come gradually. Energy and warmth often appear within days. Circulation benefits within 1 to 2 weeks. Erectile function improves in 3 to 4 weeks, with steady gains over months. Unlike medications, this isn't forcing a response, it's strengthening your system long-term. Gentlemen, your morning cup of tea might become your most powerful daily ritual. Start tomorrow with ginger and honey, give it 2 weeks, and see how you feel. If this helped you, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more science-backed men's health tips. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.